Hi guys, it's me, Mr.Review. Today we got our hands on the new Xiaomi gaming laptop which supports the NVIDIA GeForce 1060 with 6GB of RAM. It's powered by Intel i5. And look what you got, a Mi fan card. Free for this purchase. Okay, so right now I'll cut open the box and see what it looks like inside. So while we're at it, let's take a quick look at the specs of this laptop. So it supports a 7th gen Core i5 together with a 1060 GTX K, 6 gig of memory for the gaming experience. Okay, so right now I'm opening this box. Actually, this is a protection box just to protect the inside, the original box of the Mi gaming laptop. Okay, so we can see as I pull it out, it's a black box. Okay, pretty big. Okay, it's even bigger than Mi Notebook Pro. Okay, so we see a black box with a Mi logo on front. Okay, the other things are just embossed. Okay, let's put these things away. Okay, right now you can see the Intel logo on side. Let's check the other side. Okay, let's cut it open. Okay, it's the tamper-proof sticker. Right now we're going to open this thing up. Let's see what surprise we have in here. Okay, so it's pretty tight sealed out of the factory. Okay, it's open now. Wow, just look at it, just wow. Okay, so the laptop itself is protected inside a protective cloth. Okay, we'll put it on the side. It supports a Mi logo also on the outside. Right now we're holding the manual. Okay, let's open it inside, see what's inside. Okay, basically it's the manual written in Chinese, so it just shows you the ports and different usability of this laptop, even the shortcuts on the mouse trackpad. Okay, so this is the charger, pretty big, pretty big compared to the one in the Mi Notebook Pro and the Mi Notebook Air. Okay, I'm not really used to it, but it's just even bigger than a Mi 6. Okay, thicker than a cell phone. Okay, so this is a 3-prong charger, China standard. Okay, so you might need to buy an adapter just to be used in your home country. Okay, so let's put it aside. Let's open this thing up. Let's see what's inside. Okay, wow, gunmetal color. Pretty good looking laptop here. Okay, just looks very premium. Okay, the opening similar to the Mi Notebook Pro. On the side we have 2 USB port on the side of the audio port, and on the back we need to peel up this film. Okay, so we have the charger port, the USB-C port, the HDMI port, yes, another USB port, and also the LAN cable port. Okay, to run up the back. On the other side, we have the card reader and another USB port. So this laptop supports 4 USB ports to be exact. Okay, opening it up, it's another protection cloth. So it's a Mi logo, you can see here, very clear. Okay, the NVIDIA gaming laptop, GeForce gaming laptop. Okay, so it's built just for gaming. Okay, on the sides we have the you can turn on manually the fan, just to cool it. Okay, the Mi logo is looking so nice there. Okay, engraved with perfection. Okay, the tripod is big enough. Okay, so let's take a look beneath. Okay, we have the Microsoft license logo, Dolby Digital logo. Also, it's equipped with Microsoft Office Student License 2016. Here are the two fans. Okay, basically it cools it fast just for you to enjoy your gaming experience without all the heat on the gaming on the keyboard side. Okay, so basically we have rounded it up, and that's it.